Girl, if you're trying to be a natural sister in under 5 minutes with that natural 4C kinky coily curly hair, no lace involved, then this video is definitely for you. Ladies, okay, we're gonna be talking about this juicy, curly, pretty, natural unit you see on my head today. But before we do that, I need you to hook your sister up and click on that pretty red subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss any of my beauty, fashion, or lifestyle videos, make sure you turn on that notification bell. So today's video is sponsored by the one and only CurlsCurls, okay? So thank you so much for sending your girl over this unit. I truly appreciate it. And I really mean that because I love this unit. But we're going to get into all of that. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. The unit is from CurlsCurls. Comes in its plastic. So they did give us some additional combs. And it is given a natural color. It's looking something like a chocolatey brown. Like a number 2. Like a 2 to a 4 type of color. And as you can see, it's a kinky curly texture, 16 inches long. Very, very pretty, y'all. Very natural and just absolutely gorgeous. So the unit is a full wig without any lace. It doesn't have a headband or anything like that. So it's that traditional closure style unit. And it has 2 combs in the front, one in the nape area, adjustable straps, and an adjustable elastic band. So this is gonna be easy. And I live for an easy unit. I really, really do. Okay. Now this unit has space, a lot of space. First of all, again, there's no lace, so we don't have lace ear to ear, but we have wig to wig. Like, it's technically can sit on my ears, as you can see, on both sides. I would say you can move it up as much as you want, but you know, it's going to be all up in your face. So you adjust it how you want to adjust it. The way that the wig is shaped, it does leave out a little bit of sideburn and edge area, but I don't mind it because the style that we have here, I ain't gonna be pulling nothing back and you ain't even gonna see it. Like, I already know. So what I'm gonna do really quick is just adjust the elastic band because it's actually loose. So I want it to sit a little tighter. All right, so this is what it looks like before doing anything. With this one, the most I'll probably have to do is wet it and maybe add some curling serum. But I'm gonna start it off with just puffing it out. So you can definitely do a few things with this unit. If you wanted to go ahead and do a twist out, you can do that. You could do finger coils with it if you are gonna co-wash the hair when you first get it. Or if not, you can do like a wash and go where you just wet it up, put a little curling products in it and get it popping like that. You could do a few things with this unit, but it's already in its natural texture, which I absolutely love. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. I'm just gonna puff it out, and if anything gets a little too poofy, I'm just gonna hit it up with some water and a little curling cream or something like that. But this unit is just so easy. All you have to do is put it on and maneuver the hair in a way that you like it, and that's really it. It's gorgeous. Like, the curls go all the way up to the roots. So I can appreciate that. Yeah, this unit is so pretty. So pretty. And I don't even know if I want to hit it up with some water, but I will. Hold on. Just a light mist. All right. And I'm going to put a little bit of this Cancel Shea Butter Curling Cream. I'm just put a little dab of this on the ends, really, to see if I can get it a little bit more defined because the ends are so like frizzy. That's really what I'm focusing on. You don't have to do this, but this is what I choose to do. I like to comb through it to kind of detangle it a little bit, and it helps to define the curl a little bit more. So really, like I said, on the ends, that's really the only places I'm adding water and product. So that's the only place that I'm going to be combing through. You comb through the rest of it, girl, you're just gonna make the hair really big. So if you're not going for a really huge look, then you should probably avoid doing that. It might look a little funny while it's wet. It usually does. You done stretch it out and wet it, but you got to trust the process. You just have to let it dry. Once it dries a little bit, it'll shrivel back up. It'll return to its natural curl pattern, and we should be set for life. But I'm just trying to smooth it to make sure it come out really defined on the ends on some of these pieces. All right, so that fixed some of the areas that were looking like kind of stiff. This whole front piece was not moving as much. It was kind of stiff. And sometimes that's how the curly units be when you first get them. So I had to wet it up to break it up, but I wanted to get it back defined. So that's why I added the curling cream, but it's coming together and it's looking cute. So I'm gonna give it about 5 minutes or so just to let it settle, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like. All right, so I am finished with the unit. I didn't do anything else. I just let it settle a little bit. So as I was stating or trying to explain, that it's gonna look funny once you wet it at first and you add product, so it's gonna look stringy and wet and long. It always looks like that. It will shrivel back up to its natural state if it's a human hair natural textured unit, and that's exactly what it did. But it also gave me a little bit more bounce and flow, because when you first get it, it can come off a little bit stiff. For instance, some pieces in the back at the bottom may be a little bit more stiff than the pieces that I did mist and wet up a little bit. And this is what I need, okay? I didn't want the front where I'm going to be showing the hair in the most places to be stiff. So like I said, it has some bounce, it has some movement to it now, and it's so pretty. It's so full, it's so natural. I mean, the texture is absolutely natural, y'all. And I am talking like a 4C texture with this unit. It's super kinky. The ends is super tightly coiled. Like, it's not a loose curl at all. Like, this is a natural girl's dream. Now, what I also love about this unit is it's just absolutely easy to style, okay? Anybody can do this wig. And this wig, I think, is very ideal and perfect for something that you just want to have for every day. Like, if you need a unit that is just easy for anything, just anything, any day, this is that unit. Like, all you have to do is put on the unit, shape the hair how you want it. But in most cases, when you shape it how you want it the first time and you put it on your little mannequin or your wig stand, it's already shaped for you the next time. And it just fits so nicely to my face. I was thinking I was going to have to do some trimming, but it looks good the way it is. So I'm just going to leave the wig alone the way it is, y'all. It's so full. It's so soft. And I'm going to turn around so you can see what the back looks like. So this unit is that girl. CurlsCurls came through with this one because I am absolutely in love, okay? Sometimes it takes the easiest things to be the best, and this is really one of the best. It's just so easy. So easy. And I'm not even going to sit here and lie to you. I'm a Lizzie wig wearer most of the time. And why would I want to make something easy difficult? You can put this unit in some styles if you choose to. You can leave this down like a little bang, flip a piece up, put a little headband on. Like, you still have options with this unit, so you don't have to wear it exactly like this every single time. And I think that's the good thing about it. But your girl ain't going to do it right now because it's doing too much work, and I'm loving the wig the way it is. But it is a pretty unit, so I have no complaints. The only complaint that I had was it's just a weird fit right here with this out. But a lot of the times when you have units without lace and there's no actual ear tabs and things like that, it can sit a little bit funny on your edges. If you want to be extra and pull out some of your edges just in case the wind blow, you can do that. But I'm not doing it. I think I'm fine if the wind blows. I'm not tripping. The hair is so big and so full, it covers just about everything. So I'm cool in that department, and y'all already know it's spacious because I said it at the beginning. I had to actually, tighten it up a little bit more so it's not tight and it's not uncomfortable. So we are here for it, ladies. Y'all gonna have to let me know in the comment section what you thinking about this unit right here. Y'all already know how I feel about it. And go ahead and like this video, give me a thumbs up, and share it on your social medias if you don't mind. Tell a friend, tell your homegirl, tell somebody, okay? I will see you in another video. All the information for this unit will be listed in the description box below. So go ahead and take advantage and hook yourself up because I think you need this unit, okay? But I will see you in another video. I'll holla. Bye.